Hello friends, in this lecture we are going to discuss today negotiated dealing system, order matching system of Reserve Bank of India. In this lecture we are going to study what is NDS system, then what is order matching system, its importance, its functions, and how it works, the member of NDS systems and modules of NDS system we are going to study in this lecture. Let us start with the introduction. What is NDS system first? The primary information is like that. RBI has launched this negotiated dealing system, order matching system. It is also shortly we can call NDS OM system, launched in 2005 for enhancing secondary market activity in government sector, government securities sector. The NDS OM is a screen-based electronic anonymous order matching system for secondary market, which is trade in government securities. Presently, around 75% of all secondary market dealing in government securities happened with the NDS OM accounts. This is an order driven electronic system where the participants can trade by placing their orders on the system or accepting the orders already placed by the other participants, and it is operated by the Clearing Corporation of India on behalf of Reserve Bank of India. NDS is again electronic system, and it is order matching system mainly used in the secondary market. What is secondary market? When a particular security is sold by the sold a second time, means if it is changing hands second times, so it is called secondary market. If it is changing hands first time, means it is transferring from one to another first time, then it is called primary market. But NDS is working in the order matching for secondary market trading in government securities owned by the Reserve Bank of India. Presently, the membership of the system is open to entities like banks are there, primary dealers are there, insurance companies are there, mutual funds are there. So entities who maintain SGL account with the Reserve Bank of India are the presently member of the system. These are primary dealers of NDS and are permitted by Reserve Bank of India to become members of NDS OM. Gilt account holder which have gilt account with the primary members are permitted to have indirect access to the NDS OM system. They can request their primary member to place order on their behalf on the NDS OM system, and it is totally operated by the National Clearing Corporation. In a formal way or in a definition type of way, we can say that NDS deals with the order matching platform. It deals in the secondary market securities, is an electronic trading platform operated by the Reserve Bank of India to facilitate the issuing and exchange of government securities and other type of money market instruments. The goal was to reduce here inefficiency stemming from telephone orders and manual paperwork while increasing transparency for all market participants. Let us try to understand in a deeper sense. The negotiated dealing system was introduced in February 2002 to help the Reserve Bank of India enhance the dealing of fixed income investment. Prior to the NDS, the country's government security market was primarily telephone based, which meant that buyers and sellers had to place orders over the phone submit physical subsidiary, general ledgers, transfer forms, and issue checks for the settlement of funds to the Reserve Bank of India. These slow and inefficient procedures led to the development and implementation of the NDS. In August 2005, the RBI introduced the negotiated dealing system, order matching system, an electronic based system, order driven trading system for dealing in the government securities. This system is designed to bring transparency in the secondary market transactions while enabling members to place bids and offers. Bids means buying orders, and offer means selling orders directly on the NDM's OM screen. There are two types of membership for NDS, that is direct members. Direct members have a current account with the Reserve Bank of India and can directly settle trade on the NDS OM system. Indirect members do not have current account with the Reserve Bank of India and must settle through NDS OM members that have direct accounts. Most foreign institutional investors have indirect access, while resident entities, means the domestic entities like bank, mutual funds, may have direct access. Many other countries have similar electronic system in place for managing government securities, money market account, and related securities to increase transparency and lower the cost, to reduce the paperwork, and bring the smartness and the fast transactions, to increase the speed of transactions. So these are the benefits of this system. There are two modules are there. I think, yeah, there are two modules. Primary module, the Reserve Bank of India uses the primary auction platform for the auction of federal and state securities as well as treasury bills. The platform enables participants to electronically submit their bids. Bids means buying order in primary auction, and receive allotment reports. So this is the primary market module. In the second market module, over the counter trading often happens over the phone, but everyone is required to report these trades using the NDS secondary market module. The data then flow to the Clearing Corporation of India for clearing and settlement, which avoids the need for paper-based settlement process. So here NDS reduced paperwork and brought speed in the transaction, transparency, and reduced it enhanced actually the secondary market in government securities. This a negotiated dealing system of Reserve Bank of India, electronical, how this happens in the negotiated dealing system of RBI. Here you can see the different type of data is given here. Security description in first column given, and in the second column traders are given, then the open price of that particular security, high price of that particular security in that day, then low price of that particular security, and LTP means last traded price, which is we can say the current price of the security given. And here the market watch is given, treasury bill market watch is there, then odd lots are there, market price, market by price, individual traders reported details, market liquidity indicators windows are given, and active member list also given by the Reserve Bank of India in this negotiated dealing system of Reserve Bank of India. Here the volatility in this market you can see is compared to the equity market or stock exchange market. The primary the secondary market in government securities has low volatility compared to equity markets. So friends, that much in this today's lecture. In the next part, second part, we are also going to discuss about a negotiated dealing system, more part about the negotiated dealing system, such as importance, functions of negotiated dealing system, and significance of the negotiated dealing system of Reserve Bank of India. So thanks for watching. See you in the next lecture.